Those are an 8, and I probably should have got a 7.5. But anyway, nevertheless, if I don't break a heel with them. Hey, break a heel with them. Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha Marie, and my channel is all about fashion, lifestyle, do-the work, DIYs, and occasionally plants. And if that sounds like something you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's just get right into this haul. I am going to be doing a shoe haul. I have another pair coming from Zara's, but I can't wait to get those. So today I'm going to be talking about the 4 pairs of shoes that I got today. 3 of them are from Aerosoles. I'm not sponsored, but I just got some shoes from Aerosoles. They had a really great sale, and I thought, why not? Let me try it. Let me just talk about Aerosoles for a second. They're an old shoe company that I feel like they made shoes for older people that look like they were for older people, but I got a couple of pair that look like they're for, you know, my age type person, you know, in their mid, you know, adulthood. So I'm going to be showing you the first pair that I got. They are called the Cosmic, and I got them in a wide. So they have wide and they have regular medium width. So the first pair I got are these cute little denim mules. Just adorable. I don't know why my daughter's blonde hair is all over my shoe. But anyway, I think these are just adorable. Look at the buckle. How cute is that buckle? The heel is probably about 2.5 inches high. And it is a light denim wash. And the buckle is adjustable. So that's really good if you have like a wide foot. Or this is so cute. And you'll see how I styled it in the video here. I just love these shoes. They're pretty comfortable. There is a soft cushion bed in here. It's not memory foam or anything, but it is a soft cushion, and they feel really, really comfortable. The bottom has this nice, almost like felt texture to it, so that's good. And this plastic sole here, on like cheap shoes, I feel like this is like a slip-o-matic. On this one, I haven't worn these outside yet, so I'm just going based on in the house. But I've put on some shoes where this part of the shoe is so slippery that even in the house, I feel like I'm going to fall. I walked around the house with these, no slipping, anything. Just adorable. Love these. These were on sale. I will list everything. They are final sale, so you won't get a refund. You won't get an exchange, but you will get a store credit that you can use on another item. So that's the first pair. Adorable little denim mules. And you know, everyone knows denim is in now. So I'm just really, really happy with those. I cannot wait to wear them. I don't know if I'm going to take them on vacation, but I do feel like I'm going to be wearing them a lot. So let's get into the next item. Okay guys, so the second item I got from Aerosoles. Did I say Aerosole or Aeropastel before? Aerosoles. These are Aerosole sneakers, shoes, not Aeropastel. The second pair I got are called the SCARLETT RAFFIA. Now everybody knows RAFFIA is really, really big right now. It's also very popular during the summertime. So I just had to get a pair. I think they are adorable. I'm just going to show I'm going to try to show it, see if it okay, yeah, there you go. So you can see the gold detail there. I think these are so adorable. Like I said, I should have got either, this is an 8. Yeah, this is an 8. I feel like I should have got a 7. Or a 7.5 definitely. But I'm going to finagle this ribbon somehow around the back here and then up around my ankle just to secure it and like pull it up a little bit more because it gaps a little on the side here. But I think these are just adorable. I can wear this with any of my white outfits, as you'll see. in the video, and I just love the gold buckle here. I think it's just adorable. So this is the second shoe, and like I said, all of these shoes are on sale. They're final sale, so you cannot return them for any refund or exchange, but you can definitely get a store credit. So and the bed in this is so cushiony, but these are really comfortable. This is probably just 2 inches high. I cannot wear very high heels, guys. Like, my knees are just not set up for that anymore. So that's why my shoes are either 2 or 2.5 inches high. Yeah, I'm not that stiletto type YouTuber. So that was the second shoe. Adorable. And you can see that they're very cute. They're comfortable, and I'm excited to wear them. I probably will take on vacation with me. And oh, the last shoe, I forgot to tell you, I got this in an 8 wide just because I was worried that the top of my foot wouldn't fit comfortably in here, but it does. So I got that in the 8 wide. These RAFFIAs I got in an 8 medium, and honestly, when you're dealing with raffia, let me just take the tissue out. You can go down like not just half a size, but a size in some cases. The third shoe I got from Aerosoles is called the Hour Raffia, and I got this in white, and these are so freaking comfortable. And these I actually got in a 7.5. I read the reviews, and the reviews were like, go down either a size or a half a size. So these I did because the raffia stretches. Like, it's gonna stretch to your foot. These are so comfortable. Look at these. These I already wore. Dirty sole. I already broke these in, but these feel so good, and I'll show you a picture. I didn't get a video of these, but and it also has that cute, let me see, is it detail of the gold, just like the white ones. This is a beige color. Like I said, they're really flexible. The inside is a cork sort of padding, not a thick padding. So if you could also put an insole in here too if you want, just to give you a bit more cushion, which I probably will do because they were kind of flat and I need to have some sort of support for my arches. So these are really cute. They're really comfortable. You can style these with some jeans, some gauchos, some wide leg pants, a long skirt, like a midi skirt, anything like that. But I'll show you a picture here of how I wore them. I just love them. Like I said, they're very comfortable. They're very flexible. And Aerosole has always had shoes that I felt were like for older women, even though I'm like considered an older, mature woman. But I just think these are so stylish. These and the other ones are just so freaking stylish. And the denim, they are really like up in their game for women of my age who like to wear their shoes, who are comfortable, you know, who think they're comfortable. Okay. So my last item, guys, is so freaking cute. I love them. I was wearing them way back when they first came out, like before they were made popular by Nicki Minaj and everybody else. But I was wearing them like in 2005, 2006, back in the days when nobody knew what a Croc was. Guys, look at these. Look at these. Cute. Look at these. Oh my God. How freaking cute are these Crocs? Now, I don't have any gibbets in it, but this is a platform mule, and I just love it. It is comfortable, but it is a fun shoe. It is not like your average Croc, you know, with the strap on the back, that sort of thing, the one that looks like you're wearing them in the hospital. This is just adorable. Look at this little arch, this thick wedge heel, which is probably about 2.5 inches. Gives me some height. This is probably like an inch. So I mean, just look at this. Just look. It's a typical Croc, and I just love it. You see how I styled it here, just fun. And I just think it's adorable. But most importantly, it's very comfortable. My daughter got a pair as well. She's like, Mom, I wore them to work. They're everything. I think I'm going to get the other 2 colors. So she first saw them with little Nas. He had them on. I just think they are adorable. And I don't even like pink like that. But these, I'm feeling them. I'm feeling them, guys. I really am. So I got these in a size women 8. Probably could have got, I don't think they have half sizes. A 7 was way too small. My daughter got a 7. That would have exposed my foot. These feel really comfortable. So I'm really happy with these. Again, adorable. Look at those. Just freaking cute. Cannot wait. I don't know if I'm gonna put any gibbets in them. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't really know. I just like them like this, guys. They're just so cute. They're not the Balenciagas with the little skinny, tiny, teeny little heel. This is what I need. I need a thick heel. Not a skinny little stiletto heel. I got some body. I need some body on my shoe. So that is it for all the shoes I got. I have one more shoe, like I said, coming from Zara. I don't have it yet. And I did get the air conditioner in my room, guys, just for reference, because I know I always look like I'm like moist on camera. And it's because I am. That's life. The lights is hot. The room is hot. The air conditioner make too much noise. I gotta film before I start breaking 12 sweats. It's all good. Anyway, this is me. See me, love me. I don't have any, like, you know, I'm not trying to be something that I'm not. I'm a sweater. I sweat, especially when it gets hot, guys. So that concludes my shoe haul for now. I've showed you everything. My 3 pairs of Aerosoles shoes. My pair of Crocs that I absolutely love. I think they're just adorable. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you would wear any of these shoes. Tell me if you are an Aerosoles fan. Or have you been wearing their shoes a long time, or are they new to you? So, like I said, I've been wearing their shoes forever, but sometimes they were just a little dated to me. These feel a little bit more, stylish to me, I guess I would say. A little bit more of my style as well. And I just cannot wait to wear them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're interested in any of the things that I'm doing. My doula work, my fashion for plus size women. Travel. I've got a trip coming up soon that I'm really excited about in August. Well, I guess that's soon. It's next month, but in any event, I'm really excited about that. But if those things sound like something you're interested in, please subscribe and like my video. I really appreciate it. It helps to push it out so other people can see it. And I really enjoy like bringing you guys this information. My last video, or one of my last videos, I talked about when we went to Vegas and how, that was like a nightmare with a timeshare. But for the most part, I'm really enjoying like giving you guys information and chatting with you guys. And if there's something you are interested in seeing me do, just let me know. Leave it in the comments, and let's see what we can get to. But again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave some thumbs up. Thumbs up. And yeah, like I said, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you guys all in the next